Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another Java tutorial. Today I'm going to explain to you what the ASCII table is. So the ASCII table is basically just a standard character encoding used in telecommunications. It's strictly 7-bit code based on the English alphabet. So I'm going to pull up an image, and we can clearly see. So if we go look at, let's say we look 78. The 78 decimal represents the character n. So if we go into Eclipse, and if I make myself, let's say if we create ourselves a new character. So character, and then we name it C, for example. And let's name it to, which one did we say? Let's say n. So 78. So if we do 78 here, and if we print this out, see, whenever we print this out, we actually get n, the capital N, even though we have 78. So this is the ASCII table. So for example, I can also get, let's say we want to get the capital A. So I'll look, so that's 65. So I can change this to 65. If we run this, we can get A. So this is the way that the ASCII table works. And yeah, we can do this for any of the decimals here. And then there's other characters as well, so we can do a space, exclamation mark, the and sign, greater than, equal to. We can do all of these characters by only using the character from the ASCII table. So that's about it for the ASCII table. Thanks for watching.